Hey guys, it's Beth and welcome back to my channel, and today I am on here asking for your help. I am finishing up my Canta pad. That's the pad project I've been working on throughout March and April, and haven't been able to decide which pad I want to tackle next for my next 12 by 12 pad project. I had originally thought about doing this Charming Charlotte pad by CraftSmith. It is an old pad from Michael's 2014, and I've dug into it a little bit, and it's just got some really pretty pinks and greens, and there's like embossed detail on a lot of the pages. Like that one's embossed. So there's just some really pretty colors, really pretty patterns. I love the floral. And you know, there's a couple of pages that are like 12 by 12 size images or like meant for scrapbooking, but then a lot of it's not. And then there were some cut aparts in here with some fun sentiments. So that is one option. And like I said, I've dug into it a little bit over the years, but still out of 48 sheets, there's probably most of them still in there. But then I also kind of want to do this Echo Park pad called Animal Safari. And it is 24 sheets, and I have not gotten into this yet. I think I got it from my Black Friday warehouse box that I ordered. And it's just super fun. Jungle prints. There's like different size cut aparts. There's 4x6, 4x4, and there's some 3x4s in here as well. But there's, 24 sheets, and there's 2 of each image. So I don't know if anybody else got this pad in one of their recent Echo Park warehouse boxes. So that's why I thought I'd give you guys the choice and let you guys vote in the comments below which pad you would rather me do next. The Animal Safari or Charming Charlotte. Because, I probably have a lot more flexibility with what I make out of the Charming Charlotte pad, but I also was thinking that if there are some of you who get pads like this from Echo Park and you're not sure what to do with them, that maybe we could come up with some ideas that might help you use that paper. So thought I'd leave this one up to you. So please vote in the description box below or in the comments below if you want Animal Safari or Charming Charlotte. And hopefully in the next week or so I can figure out which one that I will be using, and we'll let you all know what the winner was, and we can get started on that next pad project. But thanks so much for your time today, guys. Hope you're having a crafty day.